finally showing our faces and talking to you guys. Welcome to the vlog. We are excited to spend the weekend. Well, it's not really a weekend, I guess, but a 3-day little getaway in celebration of our 9th anniversary. And I thought I would vlog it. I don't necessarily always, but I thought it'd be fun. Thought I would just bring you guys along. We are down here in the Naples area, Vanderbilt Beach area. Currently, we're staying at an Airbnb. We're actually headed there right now. I'll give you a little tour once we get there. But we haven't really had a getaway, just us two, in a long time. So my sister is with our children at home, and I know they're in good hands. So yeah, we're kind of excited just to explore. We're gonna be going to, I think maybe Marco Island tomorrow possibly, and then we have another like partial day. So it's Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday that we're gone, and we're excited. All right, we found it. This is the main entrance. Nick is just parking over here. Here's when you come in. A common area out here. Okay, we just got inside. Got a tour from one of the owners. Really, really cool place. Okay, so this is our suite. Basically, it's a house that's comprised of about 5 different rooms, and like each is its own little suite. And then out the back here is a little porch area, patio area. That's ours. And then there's a pool over here. You can see the back. A really nice area back here. Sunset's gonna be that way. And coming back inside. Got a little closet in here. Nice big shower. Really cool place. I will have this one linked down below. If anyone is in the Naples area and you're needing like a little Airbnb or something. I think I have like some credit I could give you, and it gives me some in return if you've never done Airbnb before. So I'll try to have it linked. It's not sponsored, but anyway, thought I would just show it to you guys. I thought it's always fun. Also, we're gonna go out to eat for dinner tonight, and I want to get unpacked and everything, but I thought I would show you guys these cool bags that Nomad Lane sent to us. They're like a really compact but very organized duffel bag, and I have a $15 discount for you guys in the description box if you're interested. These are kind of like, you know, the bento style lunch boxes or something. This is like a bento style bag. They have so many different like compartments. There's a place for like a 15-inch laptop, also a smaller one. They have different little containers, you know, easy grab and go. We have our drone in here. Front here has a place for a bunch of like little stuff, you know, organizing just all your little cords or whatever. There's also a place to charge your phone here. All kinds of really cool stuff. I actually thought I'd make a really good like diaper bag, and these also fit under like most airline seats. So if you're looking for something, especially for like a couple day trip, this would be great. So this one also slides over like the suitcase handles, which would be really handy, I think. So I have some of Nick's stuff in here. Just thought I would show you guys that in case you're looking for something. I'll have the link in the description box and the $15 discount code for you guys. All right. We are ready to go get some dinner somewhere. I think we're gonna go to the dock at, did I call it Crayton Cove. The dock at Crayton Cove. So
look at this.
wow.
Look at this.
What in the world? The dock at Crayton Cove. So I got the fish and chips. Nick got a filet mignon.
Look at that.
Bacon wrapped asparagus. What do you think?
I like it. Great Italian vibes.
I mean, we've never been to Italy, but I can imagine it might be
I feel like
a teeny bit like it.
I feel like I've been there. It's very nice.
It is. It's very opulent. Do it. This is my drink, coffee, and that's Nick's.
Sure. I mean, I'm not sure how to tackle it, but...
We're at First Watch, and he ordered hot chocolate the regular way.
I know they're all standing in the kitchen watching to see how I'm going to drink it.
Just wait, it'll like go down a little bit, I think. So we're gonna go to Marco Island, and I think we still might, but yeah, it's raining right now. It doesn't look like it's gonna kind of quit till lunchtime, so we're gonna just delay it a little bit, I guess. Okay, so we made it to Marco Island, and it's not exactly what I was expecting. We were trying to figure out where you even go for public parking, because there's a lot of like resorts and stuff, and there's not a lot of public access. But we finally did come back here to Tiger Tail Beach. However, it's still sprinkling a little bit, and it's kind of rainy. Doesn't look like it's just gonna go away anytime soon, so kind of a bummer. But there's not much else to do, so we're gonna go out and see what it's like. So be warned, if you come to Marco Island, there's not just a lot of easy like public place. So probably Tiger Tail, which you do have to pay like $8 to park in here. It's not a very big parking area from what I can see, but we're gonna go see what it looks like out by the water. I think it's kind of like in an inlet. I'm not sure. I've never been here, so. Got a nice playground area here.
I like it.
Got to do some hiking to get over around the front, I guess.
It's beautiful. It really do be beautiful.
What's funny is he's not saying it, but he's thinking, why didn't we stay in Sarasota?
Well, I'm saying it. We really did go from the most beautiful beach down to somewhere else, so that's great.
See, I did a lot of research on Marco Island, and
I liked it.
I didn't quite realize it would be hard to find, you know, you can draw on it. I knew that Tiger Tail is something different. See, you can go out in the middle of it. See, there's people over there.
It really do be beautiful. Okay.
I do see a little bit of sun outside, though. That's good.
It's good.
There's a path over there. We can go over there. Way back there. I did see that after we parked, there's a parking lot that goes all the way down through here. So I'm gonna keep walking out to the main beach area to see if I can find something more interesting. Lots of beach area. I'm getting around the corner to the front now. Alright, well, I got my exercise in for the day, whether I wanted it or not. I'm heading back to the car and we're gonna go eat lunch at Snook Inn. I guess it's kind of mid-afternoon soon, but eat there and then we'll head back to Naples area, and I think we're gonna do a boat sunset cruise tonight on, I think it's called Sweet Liberty Cruises. It's one of their catamarans, or maybe they only have one, but we're doing the sunset cruise. So we gotta get back, changed, and go for that. We're getting ready to go out to the boat docks to where we're gonna get the, I don't have my wallet, do you? Well, wait, yes I do. But it's actually sprinkling right now, so I don't know. I mean, I'm curious to see if there's gonna be other people on the boat. Nick's gonna grab us some drinks. So we've been back at our Airbnb for a little while, an hour or two, kind of freshened up, and Nick's actually been working this afternoon, some. He can't really just like drop his work. So yeah, that's the nice thing about being self-employed or being a realtor or whatever, is you can kind of go and come as you please, however your work kind of follows you along. So here he comes.
All right, anything else? Sorry about that.
Thank you.
Yes.
Are we gonna make it in time?
We'll be alright.
Well, we're back here again.
Right up there.
Oh, look at the baby! Oh, that's so cute. The baby was underneath.
Yeah.
Looking a little wind blown here. That was fun. That kind of made up for today. We had a really pretty sunset, so I'm looking extremely pink as well. We didn't eat dinner, so we decided to get some pizza, and some of the people we were talking to there on the boat were super friendly. And we were talking about what we want to eat after we're done on the boat. They recommended the Crust, and we decided to just get that. It's pizza, and bring it back to our suite here. So this is what we ended up with. This side is margarita, and this one is family favorite with some extra toppings. I think some meat and stuff on there, so should be good. It smells really good. Good morning again. We are packing up to leave, and we're gonna make our way up to Sarasota. I think we're gonna eat some breakfast somewhere, and then possibly stop at Casey Key, spend a couple hours on the beach, or an hour or two depending on it. So it's still pretty overcast here, so I'm trying to chase the sun. So we'll make our way up north and then hopefully be home by this afternoon sometime.
That's the perfect time for
Perfect time for breakfast.
Oh yeah, in a perfect world.
Good morning, how are you?
So we decided to split an omelet. It's quite large. This is a farmer's omelet, smothered with sausage gravy. So we're at Casey Key right now, which is in Nokomis, closer up to our neck of the woods. We love coming here to the North Jetties. It's one of our favorite spots to come to, or like bring visitors to. It's just a place where there's a lot of action.